Welcome to AppGeeker. Today's video is about iPhone photo recovery. When freeing up storage or doing updates on your iPhone, there may come a time when some of your essential photos get deleted accidentally or the entire photo albums were deleted or lost without your knowledge. The good news though, is that the iPhone deleted photo recovery can be done on your own. All the steps here can be used to perform photo recovery on any iPhone model after deleting them, no matter how the pictures were deleted. Alright, when you delete a photo by tapping the trashcan icon, the deleted photos will go to recently deleted folder, where they can be recovered back within 40 days after the deletion. No need backups. No need iPhone photo recovery software. No need computer to do the recovery process. You can just recover the recently deleted photos using your iPhone only. In your iPhone, open Photos app. From the bottom, tap Albums. Then, scroll all the way down to find the recently deleted folder and tap it. Tap Select button. If you need to undelete all the mistakenly deleted photos and videos from the recently deleted folder, hit Recover All and then Confirm. If you just need to retrieve some of them, tap What you need, tap Recover. Now, your deleted photos get back to your iPhone's albums. If the pictures were permanently deleted after 30 days or gone after you wiped or reset the device, you can still get them back. One option is to use iOS data recovery software when you don't have a backup. You can use the download link in the description below to get this photo recovery tool. Launch the tool. Choose Recover from iOS device. Plug your iPhone into the computer. Once connected, hit Start Scan button. It'll start scanning files from your iPhone, including the photos deleted or lost few days, weeks, months or years ago. In the middle of scanning process, you'll need to click Encrypted Scan button, enter the passcode on your phone and then hit the Continue button. Once done, choose Camera Roll to the left and all the photos will be displayed in thumbnail view in the right. Use the filters at the top to show deleted photos only. Scroll down to find and select the deleted files. Then, click Recover button. Appoint a folder to save the recovered photos and hit Recover button again. When the photo recovery process finishes, check out if all your lost images are back. Another option is to restore photos from iCloud or iTunes Backup. If you'd like to factory reset your iPhone, check out this video. If you prefer restoring deleted photos only, use iOS data recovery software. To restore from iTunes Backup, click Recover from iTunes Backup file. Choose the backup that contains your deleted photos and hit Start button. Select Camera Roll, choose what you need and hit Recover button to get them back. To restore from iCloud Backup, click Recover from iCloud. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Uncheck Select All option, select Photos and hit Start button. Select Camera Roll and choose what you need. Then, hit Recover button to trigger the iPhone picture recovery process. That's it. If it works, please give this video a like and comment below to let us know. Also, be sure to subscribe AppGeeker to get more tips. See you guys in the next video.